Okay, so this is the project. First, we need to make sure we have the universal render pipeline and the package manager. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Just install it. And then after that, we're gonna go to the assets. Then we're gonna import a custom package. I'm gonna provide it down. Just click on imports. Okay, here let's enter the folder that's created. And then we're gonna go to the scene. Here, as you can see, it's a bottle of milk pouring down. And this is the glass. So let's just expand the scene view. Okay, then let's hit play. Here you can see the liquid and the glass is filling up. We can also here you can see the small effects on the table. It's like a spilling the milk. Also, when we rotate the bottle, the liquid inside it shakes. Let's go to the script. Here we can control some stuff. We can make the liquid not infinite. So when we do that, the bottle gets empty. And then we can control the fill amount. Here, as you can see. So here we have the cap on. So if it's on, no milk will gonna pour down. You can just play with the settings as you like. Here's the small glass. Yeah, it also shakes a little bit, the liquid inside it. Yeah, as I said, it's a very simple project. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.